install a CleanerJet dual hob mount pre-rinse unit. Thanks for choosing 3monkeez CleanerJet pre-rinse unit. The CleanerJet pre-rinse unit is part of 3monkeez fully stainless steel tapware range. Being fully stainless steel means that your tap is going to last longer and it's going to keep your water free from any lead contamination. It also comes with a 2-year parts and labour warranty. CleanerJet pre-rinse units come in 2 different heights, the standard full height version and the smaller cafe height version. They also come with 3 different pot filler options: no pot filler, a 6-inch pot filler and a 12-inch pot filler. They also come fully assembled to make your installation quick and pain-free. To start the installation, begin by flushing your water supply, making sure your line is free from any debris. If you're replacing an existing pre-rinse unit, make sure you turn your water supply off and remove any excess water by releasing your trigger valve. Unscrew the backing nut from the thread on the bottom of the pre-rinse unit and remove the rubber washer. Feed the base of the assembled pre-rinse unit into the tap hole. Make sure your tap hole is 32 to 35 mils wide. Screw the backing nut up to the rubber washer and tighten using a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you tighten evenly on both sides. If you're installing a full height pre-rinse unit, fix the wall bracket by unscrewing the riser support. Put the threaded end of the bracket against the wall, measure, and then cut the bracket to suit. Fix the wall bracket to the wall using the pre-drilled screw holes. Attach the riser support to the bracket and use the Allen key to tighten. Connect your hot and cold inlet hoses, ensuring they correspond with the right hot and cold tap. Now the pre-rinse is installed, turn on your hot and cold water supply. Test your tap works and for any leaks. The unique variable trigger spray will ensure that your pre-rinse unit is up for any task. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you have any more questions, please contact our wiseadvise or customer care team. 3monkeez gives you the tools to make your work easier.